Hello, I'm Darren Grunwald. I'm a product specialist at Bobcat. Today I'm going to show you how to attach a three-point implement. Always refer to your operation and maintenance manual for more information.
Let's install an implement on the CT 2025. Enter the compact tractor and start the machine. Drive up to the implement and align the lower links with the implement mounting pins. Use the three-point hitch position lever to align the height of the lower links to the implement mounting pin holes. Stop the engine and exit the compact tractor. Install the lower link on the implement pin. Install the retainer pins. Do this on both sides. Remove the top link from the storage position. Lower the top link until it aligns with the implement mounting hole. Install the pin and retainer pin. You can level the implement side to side by adjusting the right link. The implement can be leveled front to back by adjusting the top. The implement side-to-side sway may need to be adjusted as well. If the implement requires PTO operation, connect the PTO driveline between the implement PTO shaft and the compact tractor rear PTO shaft. The three-point hitch position lever is used for controlling the working position of a three-point implement by raising or lowering the desired position of the three-point hitch lower links. To raise the lower links, pull the lever back. To lower the links, push the lever forward. Now you are ready to operate. To remove the implement, lower the implement to the ground. Stop the engine and exit the compact tractor. Remove the retainer pin and top link pin. Remove the top link from the implement. Place the top link into the storage position bracket. Remove the retainer pins from the three-point hitch links. Do this on both sides. Start the compact tractor. Raise the lower links away from the implement. Slowly drive the compact tractor away from the implement. Safe and proper operation will ensure the long life of all of your Bobcat equipment and attachments.
Visit bobcat.com to learn more about Bobcat compact tractors.